Through Hanoi streets where the scooters fly, Old Town buzz and the world goes by. Hidden alleys, stories to tell, every turn feels like a brand new spell. From city lights to open skies, every moment's a new surprise. From Hanoi to the Bay, we're finding our way through the chaos and calm of each new day. Different views but the same heartbeat, every step makes the journey complete.
Love is in the air.
Out on the water where the limestone rise, Halong Bay under open skies, drifting slow as the world stands still. Quiet moments that always will. From the noise to the peace we go, finding more than we thought we'd know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we came from the coast to the mountains so high. New faces, new stories beneath the new sky. Paint on our hands, laughter in the air. Different worlds meeting, but the same kind of care. Brushstrokes on walls, but it's more than we see. Building connections, not just community. From Ulladulla to Sapa, hearts open wide, sharing our worlds side by side. Games and smiles, no words needed to say. Different cultures, one team today. Gifts that we carry, but we gain so much more. Running with children on a classroom floor. Moments that stay long after we go. In every small act, we help something grow. From Ulladulla to Sapa, hearts open wide, sharing our worlds side by side. Hands together, making memories stay. Different cultures, one team today. Yeah, yeah, we came to give, but we leave with more. Ulladulla High, what a journey for sure. From Hanoi streets to the mountains we ride, leaving the city with the crew by our side. Through winding roads where the green hills grow, to Sarah where the warm winds blow. A different world, but it feels like home. With the Kotu people, we're not alone. Stories and smiles, no need to pretend. In every hello, we're making new friends. Under the stars where the firelight glows, learning a life that the city never shows. From Hanoi to the heart, we're finding our way. In the moments we share, in the games that we play. Different lives, but the feeling's the same. We're more alike than we ever could name.
fires alive, chopping and stirring, learning to thrive. Flavors mixing, something we share, stories told in the food we prepare. Spices and smiles, laughter grows, every dish is a win, it shows. Rolling, tasting, giving it a go, learning more than we'll ever know. Aprons on and the energy's high, trying new things, giving it a try. Not just cooking, it's something more, a taste of a culture to explore. Every moment something new, different worlds, a different view. Step by step we start to see what this journey's meant to be. It's more than the moment, more than the day. It's the people we meet along the way, from the kitchen heat to the open ground. In every place, connections found. Morning light on the countryside, bikes rolling out with the team beside, through the fields where the rivers flow, seeing a life we didn't know. Buffalo rides through muddy trails, basket boats where the laughter sails, casting nets as the local show. Simple skills we come to know, waving to faces as we pass by, under the wide and open sky. Every moment clear to see, a deeper sense of community. Then in the afternoon the game begins, running together with smiles and grins, kicking a ball, no